All the doctors that I speak to say it's virtually impossible for a surgeon to mistake a liver for a spleen. I tend to agree with that.
We do not want this to happen to anyone else.
When 70-year-old Bill Bryan went in for surgery, his doctors made a fatal mistake.
It's about the same thing as if they had pulled out your heart.
His family is now left devastated and demanding answers.
The loss of my Bill was exceptionally unnecessary and brutal.
Bill and his wife had been on vacation when pain in his side sent him to the hospital.
I tried to convince Dr. Shaknovsky to let me take him home or arrange for him to be transported, but Dr. Shaknovsky said that Bill would bleed to death if he was moved.
Tests revealed a ruptured cyst near his spleen, leading to the decision for surgery.
Dr. Shaknovsky recommended that he go through a splenectomy, which is removal of the spleen.
But during the operation, Dr. Thomas Shaknovsky, the surgeon responsible, removed Bill's liver instead of his spleen, causing Bill to bleed to death.
Everyone knows you can't live without your liver.
Shockingly, this isn't the first time Dr. Shaknovsky has been involved in a surgical error.
There was a case that was settled last year where this doctor was intending to take an adrenal gland off a kidney, and he took out part of the pancreas.
This incident has only deepened concerns about his practice.
When the spleen was sent to pathology at the hospital, the pathologist at the hospital, after the procedure was over, said this is not a spleen, this is a liver.
Bill's wife is now calling for full accountability from everyone involved.
We do not want this to happen to anyone else.
While the Walton County Sheriff Office is investigating the case, no criminal charges have been filed yet.
The doctor reported as if it was a spleen complication, and that the patient had actually died from a spleen operation that went bad.
Bill leaves behind 3 children and 8 grandchildren.
They took him from us while he was completely helpless on the operating room table.
Bill's family are now left grappling with the reality that a surgeon's mistake took away the man they loved.